How to fix Instagram more options not showing on sensitive content control 2026. If you've been trying to adjust your sensitive content control on Instagram, but the more options button is completely missing, you're not alone. Thousands of users are facing this exact issue in 2026. Stick around because in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving one of the most frustrating Instagram settings bugs right now, the more options button not appearing under sensitive content control. I'll walk you through every working fix from the simplest solutions to the ones most people overlook. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1, check your account type. This is the number one reason more options goes missing. If your Instagram account is set to a professional account, meaning a creator or business account, Instagram automatically restricts sensitive content settings and hides the extra options. To check, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, go to Settings, then Account, and look for Switch to Personal Account. Switching back to a personal account is the fastest fix and immediately restores the full sensitive content control menu. Step 2, update your Instagram app. An outdated version is the second most common culprit. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and hit Update if one is available. Instagram rolls out settings changes frequently in 2026, and older versions simply don't have the latest menu options loaded. Step 3, clear your app cache. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Instagram, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, the easiest method is to offload the app. Go to iPhone Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, and select Offload App. Then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Step 4, log out and log back in. This forces Instagram to refresh your account settings and permissions from scratch. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, scroll to the bottom, and tap Logout. Wait 30 seconds, then log back in and recheck your sensitive content control under Settings and Privacy. Step 5, check your age settings. Instagram restricts more options for accounts where the registered age is under 18. If your birth date is set incorrectly, go to Settings, then Account, then Personal Information, and update your date of birth to reflect your correct age. Here's your pro tip for 2026. After applying any of these fixes, don't just go straight to sensitive content control. First, fully close the Instagram app, wait about 15 seconds, and reopen it fresh. Instagram settings panel sometimes needs a clean restart to fully reload your updated account permissions. Skipping this step is why many people think the fix didn't work, when actually it did. And that's a wrap. You now have 5 solid fixes to get your more options button back on Instagram's sensitive content control in 2026, from switching to a personal account, updating the app, clearing cache, logging out, all the way to fixing your age settings. Try them in order and one of them will definitely work for you. If this video saved you the frustration, drop a like and subscribe so you catch every Instagram fix we post. And let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Your answer might help someone else too. See you in the next one.